Hello and welcome to Zubi. Today we're going to register for a Zubi account and see how quick and easy it is to start creating labels. First, go to zubi.co.nz and on the right hand side click register. This will take us to the registration page. I'm going to click the casual plan today because no credit card is needed up front. Enter your email address, first name, last name and business name, and country can be either New Zealand or Australia. When I do calculate a product on the casual plan, I will be charged 59 New Zealand dollars plus 15% GST. When you're happy with the information you've entered, click Test Drive Zubi and click OK. Then go to your email inbox to look at the registration email with your temporary password. Clicking OK will redirect you to the Zubi login page. Enter your email address that you registered and the password that was sent to you on the registration email and click Login. Now we are logged into Zubi. You can see some example ingredients, example products, and search help, which takes you to some helpful articles and videos about Zubi. To add your business address, go to the Business tab, and to change your password, go to the Password tab. Today we are going to create a product, and that is over here in Add Product. As you can see, Zubi generates an item code, but we can change that if need be to suit our internal purposes. Choose a name, any name you need. Today we're going to make a vegetable broth. The description box is for your reference, it won't appear on the label. The contents are also searchable in our handy search bar. Make this as big or small as you need, enter whatever information you need. Brand, choose an existing brand or enter a new one. Country of origin, you can select made, growing, packed, blended and packed, or product of. And it defaults to New Zealand or Australia, plus there are other options if necessary. Your business name and address will appear here, and you can also enter a barcode if you have a barcode for your product. Down here further, it's a handy information, the last time this product was modified, the date it was calculated, and the date it is due for renewal. The next tab is Recipe. I'm going to make a vegetable broth, and as I have no saved ingredients yet, I'm going to use public ingredients. To do that, I'm going to search the item and click Include Public Ingredients. For example, carrot, and we'll click Go. And we can see here are the public ingredients. You can tell they're public by the globe symbol. And the data is from either the supplier or from the New Zealand Plant and Food Database, which is also valid for use in Australia. When you find the one that's suitable, click the green arrow, green plus sign, and it will show up in the recipe. Add the amount that you need to put in your recipe, and then repeat for all subsequent ingredients. For example, water, click the green plus sign, and enter the amount required. When you have entered all your ingredients, you can double check the ingoing weight and the outgoing weight, the moisture after baking or weight lost. And to make it easier to view, you can also click this button to minimize the ingredient details. So I have added all my ingredients, and now I'm going to click the Allergens tab. As there are no allergens present in these ingredients, there will be no allergens coming from ingredients in this product. However, my facility does also process peanuts, so I'm going to click May contain peanuts. Qualifiers, you can select any options that apply to my facility. On pack text, I can click the required storage items for my product, and I can click a best before, a use by, or a baked on date. I can choose a specific date to print or I can choose a set shelf life of days, weeks, months, or years. In this case, it's going to be rough valid for 7 days. So that every time I print a label, it's going to reset the use by date. For usage text, I can enter any usage instructions, and the same again for marketing text. This way my product label and report is complete, because Zubi is the single source of truth for all products that all departments can access. Next tab is Files, and I can add images, Word documents, and PDFs, any supporting documents, so that all pertinent information for this product is in one location. If I go to the NIP, you can see that I cannot view the nutrition information yet. So I'm going to click Calculate, and that will take me to the payment screen. Once paid, you will be able to view your nutritional information and generate labels and reports. Once the payment has been processed, you'll be able to view the nutritional information. You can edit the pack size as needed. Here I've created a 1 litre pack size with a 250 ml serving size. And the nutrients recalculate as necessary. Any nutrients you want to add to your label, you can by clicking the box here. They will only appear on the label once they meet the minimum RDA threshold as required by law, so as not to be making false statements on your labels. The greyed out ones are the minimum required by law and can't be unchecked. To view the label, we click here, this little I for label. That will generate in a new tab. You can edit the size as necessary. As you can see, we have a number of nutrients that have appeared. We have the size and the use by date, 7 days from now. Storage instructions, marketing, ingredients, and any allergens it may contain. You can make edits such as changing the barcode type, showing qualifier statements, if any, and whether it's for the New Zealand market or the Australian market. You can print this directly onto a roller printer, or save it, or you can view it as a report. To do that, go back to your recipe, click the I to view it, and click the down arrow to download it. We'll click the I and we can see here is the labelling report with all the detail fitting neatly onto one A4 page. This can be saved or downloaded as necessary and sent to packaging designers. Because Zubi takes care of the calculations for me and tracks allergens from ingredient to label, I don't have to spend hours working out labels. I joined Zubi and created this recipe in only minutes.